Boost your CBRNE expertise. Be unstoppable. Open Invite Live Agent Training Train the Trainer course. In the world-class facility in Vyshkov, Czech Republic. Chemical and Radiological Live Agents real-world experience. Learn from top CBRNE instructors with real-world incident experience. Enhance skills in protection, detection, and decontamination. Train others with confidence. Impact your organization. Starts from 2 to 6 October 2023. Early birds offer ends on 10 August. Reserve your seat now. Transform your CBRNE career. Earn your VIP silver medal and certificate. Enroll now. Expand your knowledge. Contact us for more information and registration at www.hotzonesolutions.org.